Hi guys, welcome back to My Beauty. This is Cece, and we're gonna do. Yeah, no, I can't talk. We're gonna do a
foot soak.
A foot soak. Y'all know I don't know. But anyway, a mint aloe foot soak, and then we're gonna go do a mint aloe foot scrub. So yeah, first we're gonna do the foot soak, and let's get into it. Okay, guys. So first we're gonna start off with the foot soak, and we're gonna start off with Dead Sea salt. And Dead Sea salt is has natural detoxifying properties, and it's also a natural exfoliator. So that's going to be good for your feet. And then we have Aloe Vera Gel, which is super moisturizing. It's also very soothing. And so, yep. And then we have peppermint. Peppermint has natural antifungal properties, and it also relieves itching. So, this is a great foot soak if you have fungal stuff going on with your feet, athlete's foot or whatever. You can also add eucalyptus if you like. That's really good as well. And tea tree oil is really good too. So first we're just gonna, don't add too much of the aloe vera, just a tad. And you're gonna mix that in. And then you're going to add 3 drops of the peppermint oil. And then you're going to add, this is just coloring. This is, if you want to add, you can. You don't have to. This, just if you can find any type of coloring that's good for body stuff. I got these out of the Okay, and then I have some mint, just some chopped mint here, and I'm just gonna add that. Alright, and that is your mint aloe foot soak. Alright, and now we're going to get into the foot scrub. Okay guys, we're back, and now we're going to do the foot scrub, the mint aloe foot scrub. So here we just have some sugar, and we're going to take that, and same thing, we're going to add our aloe. And we have jojoba oil. So jojoba oil is I can't talk today. Ugh. Oh my god. I cannot talk today, guys. Jojoba oil is the oil. This is closest to your natural sebum. So that's really good for your skin. And we're just going to mix that up together. And of course that sugar is just going to be really good at exfoliating your skin. And you can add more or less of each depending on your preference. And again, we're going to add the peppermint. And just start coloring. Or like I said, you can skip this step if you like. You're gonna mix it all together, and that is your foot scrub. And yeah, isn't that pretty? Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. And yep, sorry, it was really quick. And I kept looking over to the left, but that was because I don't know, something was open over here and it was bothering me. So ignore that part. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.